Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get your Binance address updated. First, open the Binance app and unlock your account using your PIN or biometrics, then tap Wallet at the bottom. Choose Receive, select the currency you need, and carefully verify the network. Finally, copy the address or use the QR code to share it, and always double-check the first and last characters before sending funds. When getting your Binance address, choosing the correct network is essential for safety. Look at the sending platform and match the network exactly, for example ERC20 versus BEP20, to prevent errors. Some tokens also require a tag or memo, so copy that field if present. If you're unsure, pause and confirm with the sender platform, because mismatched networks can lead to irreversible loss of funds and extra recovery hassle. Protecting your address matters as much as getting it. Always verify the first and last 4 characters after copying an address to ensure it wasn't altered by malware. Use the official Binance app or website only and avoid clicking links from random messages. Turn on 2-factor authentication and consider a withdrawal whitelist to limit where funds can be sent, and keep your device software updated to reduce security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.